Go over to if else, if if not else if else. So let's go ahead and assign x to be 0, and let's have our if statement. So x is, if x is greater than 0, let's have what will be executed. So x is greater than 0. Then remember the indentation, guys, and then L if, not else if. So in Python you use L if. So let's go there. Sorry, we have not had the condition. So x is now less than 0, less than 0, 0. What do we do? Let's print x is negative. And then else, the else statement will be printed if the elif and the if are not true. So print x is 0. Let's go ahead and see. Don't need that. So Python conditional. So x is 0 because x is equals to 0. So if x was greater than 0, let's have 3 there. So x is greater than 0. If we had negative, let's just play around with them. This is what would happen. So x is negative. So it checks the first statement and then execute this. Check if this is true, it will not execute anything else. If this is true, it will not execute anything else. If this is not true and this is not true, it executes the else statement.